Hey guys, this is Zach with All Seasons. Here we have the 48 by 20, no firebox. Notice this is constructed out of 12 gauge, not 3/16 like our others. I can do these out of 3/16. I have upon order. This is basically just a charcoal cooker. Same features as our other pits. 4-inch smokestack, air-cooled spring handles. Got your grates out in the front, storage rack underneath. Got the 5-inch swivel casters and your 5-inch rigid. You have a grease drain with a bucket hook. The doors the same. Got the latch, air adjustment. This one will have 2 ashtrays in there, which, as always, make sure these are cooled down before you go emptying them out. You can slide one out. You can actually tie those 2 handles together if you want, so when you pull them out, that other one will come with it. Same thing on both of these doors. You got the plugs. You easily put in one of our 3-inch temp gauges. Open up these doors here. Big grate on the bottom, smaller grate on the top. These grills are also interchangeable. If you want to buy bigger ones to put up top, you can definitely do that. Slide out. Being this is a charcoal cooker, it does not have our heat transfer tray, which would be pointless for this grill. This is great for the backyard, cooking a lot of hamburgers, hot dogs, chicken, steaks. You could even do a brisket on if you wanted to. Get you a good fire going on this side. Stick your brisket on this side. Throw you some wood chips in there. Get some good smoke on it. So it's a universal smoker, made out of 12 gauge. Ought to last you a lifetime still. And like I said, I can do them out of 3/16 if you'd like. Just gonna be a little bit more money, of course. If you have any more questions on this grill, please call me 210-648-0979 and ask for Zach.